Notes future not showing on Instagram app in 2023 or beyond. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then open the apps like this. Now here on this page, as you may know, right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll until you find Instagram. When you find it, you have to click on it like this. Now, after you click on it, you have to click on force stop and then click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Now, all what you have to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, and then search for Instagram and click here on this update option to update it and get the Notes future. And if you didn't get it, that means it's not available on your country yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe.